Simple Science, Peppa Pig. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Gitte. It is playtime at Peppa's playground, but the playground is already busy.
Stop!
Shouts Mr. Bull.
Mr. Bull, what are you doing to our playground?
Asks Peppa.
We're digging it up,
Replies Mr. Bull. Mr. Bull loves digging. Daddy Pig arrives. He has planned the new playground using maths and science.
Today, children, I am going to teach you some simple science,
says Daddy Pig.
Can you guess how many of you it would take to lift Madame Gazelle?
It is time to find out the answer. Peppa cannot lift Madame Gazelle. Peppa and Danny Dog cannot lift Madame Gazelle. But Peppa, Danny and Susie Sheep can do it together. It takes 3 children to lift Madame Gazelle.
We just did some simple science, says Daddy Pig. Now, please make a tower of blocks.
Rebecca Rabbit, Pedro Pony, Zoe Zebra and Emily Elephant make a stack of 5 blocks.
Very good,
says Daddy Pig.
But the tower looks a bit wobbly. Does anyone know how we can make the tower less wobbly?
Asks Daddy Pig.
Put the big blocks at the bottom and the small blocks at the top,
suggests Edmund Elephant. Edmund is a clever clogs.
Well done, Edmund,
says Daddy Pig.
That's right.
The children go outside again.
Who can tell me what we need to make a muddy puddle?
Asks Daddy Pig.
Dirt and water,
says Susie. Daddy Pig makes a puddle and asks Peppa to test it.
This puddle is too dry. Oh,
she sighs. Daddy Pig adds more water to the puddle.
Please jump again, Peppa,
he says.
The puddle is just right.
Cheers, Peppa. All the children jump up and down in the muddy puddle.
Making muddy puddles is a bit like making concrete,
says Daddy Pig.
Squelch!
We're using concrete to make your new playground,
says Daddy Pig.
It starts off wet and soft like mud, then it sets and goes hard forever.
The big mixer pours concrete into the hole. Daddy Pig jumps in and stirs the concrete with his spade.
Now it is gloopy like custard,
he tells the children.
Soon it will set as hard as rock. Daddy Pig, I think you should step out of there, warns Mr. Bull.
The concrete sets hard.
All thanks to a bit of simple science,
says Daddy Pig.
Now, Mr. Bull, what were you saying?
I was trying to say you should get out before the concrete sets,
answers Mr. Bull.
Oh,
says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig is stuck in the concrete.
Don't worry, Daddy Pig, I'll have you out in a jiffy,
says Mr. Bull.
How?
asks Daddy Pig.
I'll dig up the playground,
says Mr. Bull. The children love watching Daddy Pig being dug out of concrete. I hope you enjoyed this book. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Be good for Mommy and Daddy. Bye-bye.